Alright, this is Chase, and he's really good at Rubik's Cubes. And this is the Rubik's Cube he's about to beast, but Hannah's mixing it up, so we're just waiting on her to mix it up. So Chase, we're going to ask you a couple questions. So first of all, when did you start Rubik's Cubing?
A couple weeks ago.
A couple weeks ago? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you really like it?
Yeah, it's pretty addicting.
That's cool. Alright, here we go. The master at work.
Got mixed up good.
Oh man.
It's fine.
It's fine. I'm gonna make sure that's really good.
It's like lightning. It's like... He's got it.
The most I've ever gotten is like one color on one wall.
Look at that. Oh, got it.
I even messed up once up in there.